Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Prudential, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Prudential, gather all your financial documents. This includes pay stubs, bank statements, and any bills you currently have. Next, calculate your total monthly income. Include your salary, any side gigs, and other income sources. Once you have your income, list all your fixed expenses. These are costs like rent, utilities, and loan payments. After listing fixed expenses, identify your variable expenses. These can range from groceries to entertainment and personal spending. Now, create a spreadsheet or use a budgeting app for organization. Divide your income into categories for better clarity. Allocate a portion of your income to each fixed and variable expense. It's essential to prioritize needs over wants during this step. Include a category for savings in your budget. Aim for at least 20% of your income to go towards savings or investments. Once your categories are set, track your spending. Monitor your expenses daily or weekly to stay on target. Adjust your budget as needed based on your spending patterns. If you overspend in one area, make cuts in another. Review your budget monthly to assess your progress. Make any necessary changes to improve your budgeting strategy. Regularly revisit your financial goals. Ensure they align with your budgeting efforts. Consider using Prudential's resources for additional guidance. They offer tools and calculators that can help you stay on track. Staying committed to your budget will require discipline. Remind yourself of your financial goals to stay motivated. Finally, celebrate small wins along the way. Recognizing progress can encourage you to continue budgeting wisely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.